Home Affairs in KwaZulu-Natal has processed 457 migrants, of which only 2 were found to be in the country illegally.
Allegedly, out of 157 of the immigrants that were, taken to Home Affairs in KZN, 2 of them, only 2 were found to be illegal foreigners, bro. Like, I don't know which game the government is playing here, but you feel me? I don't know what was their end game, like what was the plan, man. But you feel me? People are not buying it on the internet, man, everywhere. Like, how can that be possible? Because you feel me? These people they take days, man, days, like processing a few people. Like, people go to Home Affairs and sit there the whole day. But now apparently they were able to verify those 457 people in just a couple of hours, bro. Like, I don't know.
This comes after a group of foreigners in Durban were moved to a shelter after seeking protection from anti-migrant groups.
We have verified about 457 people today. Only 2 were found. The first one was found to be having a fraudulent permit, and that person was arrested on the spot. We're going to deal with that person through the Immigration Act and close the process. The other one had a rejection. Once we have received a rejection when we have made an application for a permit, that means you do not qualify to be in South Africa. You must find a way out of the country. That person had a rejection that is on the system saying that the process, his application had been processed, and that person should have been out of the country. So that person also was arrested. So which means 455 permits were verified and they were positive from our system. So that means, including the people that are still outside, it therefore means that these people are legal in the country.
Bro, the comments on Facebook after this were crazy, bro. These people mentioned themselves that they don't possess any documents live on TV. Today they have papers. So I've seen this case, bro, and that's a good point as well. They teach you no fancy ways like verifying. Oh, it's getting bad, bro. Like, don't forget that the Minister of Home Affairs is Zimbabwean. Yeah, now shots are being fired, bro. Left, right, and center, man. And so it's only offline for South Africans. This is actually funny, bro. Like, cause Home Affairs is famous for being offline. Offline, and then you feel me? They cut the line. Cut. You go back empty-handed.
Remove South Africa from the World Cup. I won't repeat myself. I will remove South Africa from the World Cup if there is no change to what is happening in South Africa. I will urge FIFA to remove South Africa from the World Cup. I won't repeat myself. I will remove South Africa from the World Cup, and I will ask FIFA to do that. Ramaphosa knows that this is not a threat. I'm seriously serious about this. Thank you very much for this information.
Yeah, man, so that's the news for today, man. You feel me? Hit the subscription button and hit the bell there, so whenever we drop a new video, man, you feel me? You guys need to be updated about this whole situation, man. Just subscribe there and I catch you. So boy, Talu Wasabi, and I'm out.